Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use multiple charts layouts on TradingView for free in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description. In this Black Friday deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely free. So if you are looking for the discounts on the TradingView premium subscriptions, now is the time for you to purchase it. And in this deal, only around 2 days left. So make sure that you hurry. Now, in order to use TradingView multiple chart layouts for free, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the products option so that you are able to launch the chart in front of you. Over here, when you go to the layout tab on the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the layout sections in front of you. But you already know that this particular grid or this particular option is available for the premium plans only, and you can't actually do the multi-charting here on the TradingView basic subscriptions. But not to worry, you can just simply apply this trick. So as you can see, this is my first chart. So what you need to do is you need to click on this chart label here on the top, then click on the option of duplicate tab. Over here, once you have duplicated your tab, you just have to click on the option of the watch list, then change the another chart. So as you can see, now I have two tabs and both of these have different charts. Now here in your windows, if you are using, you are going to see this type of option in which you can add or use two tabs simultaneously. Currently I'm using the Chrome web browser, so in it you are going to get this feature absolutely free. So here you can see in the right hand side I have the Apple chart, in the left hand side I have the BTC USD chart. So this way I can use the multiple charts at the same time. In Windows 2, you are going to get the option of the layouts. In that you can add four tabs, I guess, at the same time, so you can also use that feature. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.